In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync GitHub notifications with Discord via webhooks. This process will allow you to receive updates on your GitHub projects directly in your Discord server, making it easier for your team to stay in the loop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to create a Discord webhook. Start by opening your Discord server. Once you're in, look for the Server Settings option, which you can find by clicking on your server name at the top left. In the Settings menu, navigate to Integrations and then select Webhooks. When you get to the Webhooks section, you'll see an option to create a new webhook. Click on the New Webhook button. Here you'll be prompted to give your webhook a name. This could be anything you like, such as GitHub notifications. Next, choose the channel where you want these notifications to appear. Once you're happy with your setup, go ahead and copy the webhook URL provided in this section. You've just completed the first part. Next, we need to configure this webhook within GitHub. Open your GitHub repository and head to the Settings tab. This will be located in the upper right part of your repository page. Once you're in the settings, look for Webhooks in the left sidebar and click on it. After that, you'll see a button that says Add Webhook. Click on that button to proceed. Now in the Add Webhook section, you'll need to paste the Discord webhook URL that you copied earlier into the payload URL field here. This is crucial because it allows GitHub to communicate with your Discord channel. I want to remind you of an important step. After you paste the URL, you need to add GitHub to the very end of it. So it should look something like this: your -webhook-url/GitHub. This extra bit is needed for the GitHub integration to work properly. Next up, you'll need to set the content type to application/JSON. This setting ensures that the notifications sent from GitHub to Discord are properly formatted. It's a straightforward change, but it's vital for ensuring everything works smoothly. We're almost done. Now you will select which events you want to trigger notifications. Do you want to be notified for every commit, pull request, or issue? You can customize these preferences to suit your workflow. Just click the boxes next to the events that matter most to you. Once you've made all your selections, simply click on the Add Webhook button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. You've successfully set up your integration. To recap, we created a webhook in Discord, configured it with your GitHub repository in the settings, and selected the notifications you wanted to receive. Now, every time an event occurs in your repository, you'll get a notification right in your Discord channel, making collaboration with your team a lot easier. And there you have it. You're now set to stay updated on your GitHub activities without having to constantly check back on the site. If this video helped you out, remember to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.